and welcome to Millennium Computers online 5-minute tutorials. Today we're going to look at the question, how do I restrict fields? Now the concept of restricted fields is an interesting one. It has to do with one user group on campus being unable to see one particular field in one particular report. Let me show you what I mean with an easy example. I'm going to execute the employee summary report in the Human Resources reporting module. Let's go ahead and execute. Now this is a pretty big report. Now let's suppose this report is used across campus. It's a pretty common report. Let's also suppose that one field, say date of birth, should only be visible by one user group on campus. Historically, you may have had to create a separate report to accommodate the two user groups. If you have administrative privileges, we can make those changes on the report using the Restricted Fields option. Select the More tab and choose the Administration option. This brings us to the global changes for this report. This has inherent flexibility to allow us to make modifications to column titles, width, alignment, formatting, sort order, total column sum, enable or disable a particular field, and here's the restricted fields. Now let's find our date of birth column and select the restricted field icon, which is this little green plus sign. If we click on it, we can see all the HR roles associated with this report. Let's suppose only the HR payroll employees should be able to see date of birth. No one else should. Select the role, scroll to the bottom of the page, save and apply your changes. Now let's re-execute this report as a member of any group other than the HR payroll group. I don't have that role, so look what happens when I re-execute the query. The column is missing, but it's a seamless transition. The end user can't tell what's missing. The report, other than that one column, is identical and completely intact. The process is seamless for the end user, both those who can see the field and those who cannot. Let me show you what I mean by re-executing this query as a member of the HR payroll group. By re-executing the query, knowing that I'm a member of HR payroll, the birth date field is back. It's a really nice, seamless way to create restrictions on particular fields where one or more user groups shouldn't have access to particular fields on reports that are globally applied across campus. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you again next time.